Hi everyone, we're going to locate the absolute extremum of the tangent function on the closed interval. So the first thing I'm going to do is test for any critical numbers by taking the derivative. So use my quotient rule and write x times the derivative of the numerator, which is 0, minus my numerator times the derivative of the denominator, all over the denominator squared. So that's this part. Now take the derivative of tangent, which is secant. So that's going to be, secant squared, pi x over 8. And then you multiply this by the derivative of your inner function, which is pi over 8. So I'm going to put pi over 8 here. And when you clean this up, you're going to get negative 4 over x squared plus pi over 8 times secant squared of pi times x over 8 when this is squared. So basically what we get is 4x squared equals, if we set this to 0 to find the critical numbers, if you look at this, there is this equation has no solution on the interval of 1, 2. So if I plug in 0 here, there's you can't have a solution because that would be undefined. So basically there's no critical numbers. Now the only thing we have to do is test our 1 and 2. So we go back and plug in 1 and 2 into this equation. So I'm going to rewrite the equation. We have y equals 4 over x plus tan of pi x over 8. And we're going to test y of 1. And that's going to give you 4. We're testing the, let's start closed interval. So we're testing the left endpoint. So that's going to be 4 plus tan of pi over 8. And this is going to equal 1 and square root of 2 plus 3. And you could have just done this in the calculator and you would have got approximately 1, 4.4142, which is probably the better thing to do with this one. Just put it in the calculator. And now let's check y of 2. So that's going to be 2 plus tan of pi over 4. And that's going to give you 2, 3, because tan of pi over 4 is 1. So when you have 2, we have a 3. So for min and max, our bigger number is, this is your left endpoint when we tested 1. So our maximum occurs at the left endpoint. Our smaller number is the 3. This was your right. So this is your minimum. Okay, that's all. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.